Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to change the sign-in requirement time on Windows 10. If you're looking for a quicker way to log in or want to adjust your settings for security, stay tuned. First, click on the Start menu at the bottom left corner of your screen. Then, click on the gear icon to open Settings. In the Settings window, find and click on Accounts. This section contains all your account-related settings. On the left side of the Accounts page, you'll see a list of options. Click on Sign-in Options. Scroll down to the section called Require Sign-in. You'll have a few options here. Never. This will prevent Windows from asking for a password or PIN when your PC wakes up or after inactivity. Every time. This option will require a password or PIN every time you turn on your PC or wake it from sleep. Select the one that best fits your needs. And that's it. You've successfully changed the sign-in requirement time on your Windows 10 PC. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.